Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we connect package AppMetricaPush plugin. Now we connect this package to PubSpeak YAML and we used plugin AppMetrica plugin. This plugin we connect to old video, then we open documentation, open website AppMetrica yandex.com about, resources, help center, then we select SDK developer docs, Flutter, AppMetricaPush SDK, and we look information about initialization, and now we add AppMetricaConfig, open main.dart, add import, then we update main, write async, add future, then we add widgets, Flutter binding, dot ensure initialized, then we add AppMetrica dot activate, add config, and we add AppMetricaPush activate, save, and now we look example about Android, and now need connect Firebase to project, then open project settings, add setting Android and iOS, then save file Google service.json to folder Android app, and add this file. Then we can test messaging, setting messaging, and now we add dependencies, open build.gradle, add information, next then need add ID information, then we open settings Gradle, check this information, and next we open CRC main AndroidManifest, add information, metadata, and now we open main.dart, update this file, этом bar, title, text, widget dot title, and now we add write AppMetricaPush, and we add widget builder, return write widget list view, and we add widget padding, update symmetric, vertical 10, horizontal 5, save, write children, write elevated button, add widget text, write request permissions, add const, and now we add AppMetricaPush dot request permission, write alert true, badge true, save, next, we write start token listening, then AppMetricaPush token stream dot listen, write tokens, and we now add show snack bar, save, and we write tokens, update, tokens, add async, and we write request tokens, write final tokens, write await, write AppMetricaPush dot get tokens, and we add show snack bar, write tokens, save, and now we check our works application and need add application AppMetrica to device, open application AppMetrica, log dashboard, then need open device management and switch push notifications testing and attribution testing. And then we open Yandex AppMetrica, settings, main, test devices, and we can look information about testing, Google ID, and we can add information about user, open reports, profile list, and open user information. Then we select push campaigns, create push, write test, composer, and now let's start with application to device. And we select request permissions, start token listening, and we get token. This token we can check to Firebase. Right. Save. Hot restart. Then copy information. Open Firebase, new campaign, write test, add token, then we open device, send test, and we get information. And now we open Yandex AppMetrica, then we write test, test 3, select test, and we get information. Write test 4, send. Okay, and now we open documentation, then select Android, push SDK initialization, and we look about sending additional information. open project, Android, app, crc, main, and need add dependencies about AppMetrica Analytic and push, and open Kotlin, and need add information to get additional information. This information we can download to description in the video and write comments. Then we add lifecycle manager, open main, connect lifecycle manager. We speak about this information to old video. Add widget, write lifecycle manager, resume, add information about listening additional information, open AppMetrica, then we select advanced push settings, write hello, and then we select test, and we get information. Right. Test. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.